Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's our Shumatt lab channel. This is Caitlin. Today the product we're going to share with you is our hot sealing valve assembly, and now let's see it together. Firstly, I would like to show you the outside package is the blue VCI anti-roast bag, and on the VCI bag, here this is our label. The first line of the label is our Shumatt brand. Actually, if you want to make the customized service, we can help you to design the logo label packages, etc. And the second line is our product code F00VC01372. Inside is a transparent bottle. This one can be better protect the valve assembly during the transportation. Now let's see the product. 1 layer is oil paper to wrap it up. Each product 6 months warranty time. Quality is guaranteed. This one apply cable injector number is 0445110 etc. Here I just list one of them. And this one apply cable inject for vehicle car is Citroen DS Ford Peugeot. And look at the valve head with the coating figures on the groove. And this is our valve rod. Check the details. Here, Caitlin has more tips for you. If you want to clean the valve assembly, you'd better to clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. So much for today's product introduction. Thank you for your watching. Let's see you next time.